Alright, so here I'm going to demonstrate the gesture walking movement. What it will do is calculate the inverse delta change of my lower foot, whichever foot's supposed to be lower, and then apply that transform to the character. So I'm going to try to pretend to be on a treadmill as best as I can. Here's me walking backwards on a treadmill. Great. Now here's me walking forwards. As you can see, the rotation is a little bit off, so what I can do to adjust for that is use the comma and the period key to adjust the rotation of the movement. So I thought it was going a little to the left, so I'm going to press period a couple times to try to straighten it out. And that seems a lot better.